Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, the 19th of October, and I'm just going to give you a quick preview of what we'll be doing today in social studies. This is if you are absent from class and you need to make up the work from home. You are responsible to do all work when you're absent unless it's a severe situation, and you need to contact me if there's any problem with that. Make sure you do your work and stay on task. So today we're starting a new unit. It is how the French Revolution became more radical. And I'm going to open up your assignments. It does not matter which class you're in. I'm just using period 3. So when you hit your assignments, the first thing I want you to look at is the interactive notepad. And you can click on that here to preview it. And I will know if you did these things. You can download it if you want to save it. These are your vocabulary terms for the week. And they are due on Thursday. So they are émigré, sans-culottes, Jacobin, suffrage, Maximilien Robespierre, reign of terror, guillotine, Napoleon Bonaparte, nationalism, and Marseillaise. So those are the vocabulary that you'll have to learn, and these are terms that we'll be using throughout radical, moderate, dictatorial, and suppress, and the definitions are given. What we want to do for the week is we want to see why the French Revolution became more radical, understand how radicals abolished the monarchy, analyze the reign of terror, describe life in France under the Directory, and identify how the French Revolution changed life in France. So just review this today, and you can get your vocabulary started. I would open up a Google document, and you'll be submitting it on Thursday. This is due on Thursday. I'm going to exit out of this. You're not done yet. That just gets you started. That's not the whole thing. So we go back to assignments, and the next part that we're going to be looking at is the startup. Right here, violence in the name of revolution. Actually, before you do that, I want you to do the flipped video. You're going to need to do this. So what you want to do is you're going to click on it, and you're going to hit preview and hit the video, and then play it and listen carefully, because there will be questions throughout the week that we're using in our lecture, in your activities, and you'll need to really pay attention to this. If this is assigned, you need to participate in it. All right, I'm going to go back. And what I want you to then do after you watch the flip video and you read the start, I want you to go to the startup. And this is when you have violence in the name of revolution. So when is violence, when it occurs, what are the reasons why it occurs? There's an activity that you will have to do. This will be due on Tuesday. So I'll be posting this in Google Classroom today. You can do it today, but it's due on Tuesday. So we'll click this here. And the assignment is not that difficult. You can read the assignment. Here are quotes from Marie's daughter, Marie-Thérèse Charlotte de France. And she was a princess. And she kind of explains what happened to her family while they were held prisoners by the revolutionaries. Your task in 4 or 5 sentences explain what picture Marie-Thérèse tries to paint of her parents' and brothers' lives in prison. Was this a just or an unjust way to treat a former ruler and his family? And explain your answer. So I would do your first sentence here. This is your first sentence, the second sentence, and then 2 sentences about why. This is the why on was it just or unjust. So it should be very structured. All right, sentence 1. Again, you want to maybe kind of summarize what she said. Was it just? And then give an explanation of why you think it was just or unjust. And that'll be done on Tuesday, but you can do it today. I would work on vocabulary. So your batting order is to look at the vocabulary and the goals, or just watch the video. Then I would write down the vocabulary in a Google document and start going through the textbook and looking for the answers, and then look at this activity, and I would do the write-up today, or you can do it tomorrow, but it's due tomorrow. So that's it for today. Have a great day.